This is solution videos for the CP Chapter 1 test from 2016-2017. First question had two values that were kind of modeled by these, two situations were modeled by these goofy function boxes. Anyways, in the first one, if the value -2 is passed to this function, what's the appropriate output? Best advice I can give you is when you're substituting in, please use parentheses. So that is a spot for x, and I'm going to square it. So that's x squared, and then plus x again, right? So I've set these parentheses up. Now the value of x that I have is -2, so I'm going to place that both here and here. Now when I take -2 and I square it, that's -2 times -2, which is a +4, and then plus a -2. And 4 minus 2 is the number 2. So the appropriate output here is 2. When -2 goes into that function, 2 emerges from it. The next one is the question is, what value of x will produce an output of 22? In other words, I want to know when this function, what value of x makes that equal to 22. So I just set that equation up, 1/5 of x plus 10, and I want to know when that's 22. And I think I'm going to go ahead and subtract 10 from both sides first. So when I do that, I get 1/5 of x equals 22 minus 10 is 12. And then I'm going to I guess multiply by 5, right, to bust up this fraction. So if I multiply both sides of this by 5, on the left-hand side I'm left with 5 over 1 times 1/5 is just plain old x, and on the right-hand side I have 12 times 5, which is 60. So when x is 60, right, when 60 goes into this particular function, it will produce an output of 22. And yeah, 60 times 1/5 is 12, and 12 plus 10 is 22, so it checks.